things that we are affected by every day. But have you ever thought, how do they affect each other? Nor have I. So I got to thinking, well, do they? So I decided to test this question out on my friends and family, and here's what they said. I told them this question was not limited to just gravity on Earth. I told them to think a bit outside the box and think about the gravity and light in the universe. Is light affected by gravity?
No,
You sound sure, why not?
because light doesn't have a mass, and like when you go like this, and the light can't touch light, gravity can't bring it.
No. And why not?
Because gravity has to do with the Earth's pull, so light has nothing to do with that.
Is light affected by gravity?
To be honest with you, I have to say no.
And what's your logic behind that?
The logic behind it, I guess, is because I thought that light had to do with electricity. When you think of a light coming on is caused from electricity, right?
Yeah.
But if you're saying gravity, I don't understand how gravity and light, I don't understand the parallel between the two.
Light affected by gravity, I'm going to say no. Light is not a solid. So therefore, you have no way to measure it
That
in
kind
a way, because a solid, usually you can solve it like a weight, like
so kind
like
of
you actually have something physical that you can measure by. But because you have, yes, you have the intensity of the light beams in terms of the ultraviolet rays. I think it just exists.
But I don't think that light is affected by gravity, because light is generated, natural light is generated by the sun, and the sun's a planet, and the sun's rays go everywhere, regardless of whether it's Earth or Mars or any planet or the moon. So Earth's the only surface that we know of that has gravity.
Really, Dad? Gravity only exists on Earth? I'm sorry, did you even go to school?
So if that was the case, then all the light from the sun would be pulled to the Earth, which is not the case. I just solved the major universal issue.
Okay, thanks.
Light is not affected by gravity. I'm confident of that.
Oh no, thanks, Dad. So we got a lot of different responses there, and so let's take a look. Well, according to Newton's theory, the force of gravity should not affect light, but Einstein discovered that the situation is a bit more complicated than that. Gravity is produced by a curved space-time. He theorized that the mass of an object actually curves with space or time. The stronger the gravitational field on the object, the more the space around the object is warped. In other words, straight lines are no longer straight if exposed to a strong gravitational field. Instead, they are curved. Let's kind of see how this works. As said, the stronger the gravitational field on the object, the more space around the object is warped. So let's use an example. This is my baseball black hole, and this is my space-time continuum. As you can see, the black hole has a strong gravitational pull, and therefore it actually warps the space-time continuum. Since light ordinarily travels on a straight line path, light follows a curved path as it passes through a strong gravitational field. This is what is meant by curved space, and this is why light becomes trapped in a black hole. Let's think of this balloon as a black hole, and this water as light. The balloon has such a strong gravitational pull that the water can't escape it and actually is sucked into it.
A black hole actually bends space and time. Scientists know this as flame dragging. As you can see here, a tiny particle such as a light photon would not even be able to escape the black hole's gravitational field. The black hole is spinning so intensely that nothing is able to escape.
So even after mentioning to my family members that maybe you should think of a bit bigger scale, and I even pretty sure I said to some of them, think of a black hole, they still really didn't get it. So yeah, in a way, light is affected by gravity. This is due to the fact that some gravitational pulls are so strong that the light can escape. If you have, like a black hole has a strong gravitational field, the light actually gets trapped inside. And if you think of it, that's why a black hole is called a black hole. Light can't escape. It has nothing to do with the actual mass of the light. So yeah, light is affected by gravity. Sorry to those of you who said it wasn't, you sound pretty dumb.
Hi.
I have a question for you.
What?
Is light affected by gravity?
Yes,
Yes, it is. Do you know what gravity is?
no,
Do you know what light is?
no,
Okay. So, but is light affected by gravity?
yes,
Do you know how?
yes,
How is it affected by gravity?
this is always 6 up.
Because gravity, what?
6 up.
It sticks up?
Sucks up.
It gets sucks up?
Uh-huh.
That's actually kind of right. Good job. Good job, Kens. Okay. Good job. Thank you.